Looking to boost the performance of your Dell Inspiron? Today, we're checking out the ATEC 16GB DDR4 RAM upgrade, specifically designed for a range of Inspiron models like the 3280 AIO, 3501, and even the 7700 AIO. If your Inspiron is feeling a little sluggish, more RAM is often the answer. This is a single 16GB module, so make sure your system has an available SODMM slot. It runs at a speedy 3200 MHz, which is PC4-25600, and it's a DDR4 SODMM, so it's the right form factor for laptops and all-in-one computers. It's also non-ECC unbuffered memory, operating at the standard 1.2V. One of the best things about this upgrade is that it's designed to be quick and easy to install. ATEC emphasizes that no expertise is required, which is great for those who are new to upgrading their computers. Just consult your system's manual for the correct seating and channel guidelines. More RAM means your system can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. This ATEC module aims to provide a smoother and faster experience, whether you're multitasking, running demanding applications, or just browsing the web. ATEC also puts these memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, and ATEC offers tech support to help you before and after your purchase. So if you're looking for a simple and effective way to breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron, the ATEC 16GB DDR4 RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.